Let us now take a look at number 43. Find x, y, and z if we are looking at a parallelogram. You'll notice right away that if it's a parallelogram, then these two parallel sides are cut by a transversal, and z and y are congruent alternate interior angles. So if we know y, then we will know z. So how can we find y? Well, let's draw our attention to this 125-degree angle. It is a linear pair with this angle right beside it. Therefore, this angle here is 55 degrees. Now, focus your attention on this triangle. 75 and 55 add up to 130 degrees, which means to get up to the 180 for the sum of the triangle's interior, we need another 50 degrees. Y must be 50 degrees. And therefore, we now know y and z. That leaves us with x. How will we find the measure of angle x? Well, we've got some vertical angles here. If that angle is 125, then so is this one. Now we can do what we did with the last one. We will draw our attention to this triangle, whose three interior angles must add up to 180. So 31 and 125 and x give us this equation, and we can quickly find that x is 24 degrees. Now, there was another way to solve for x, in case your mind is thinking in a different way. Remember that in a parallelogram, consecutive angles are supplementary. Therefore, this bottom left angle of the parallelogram, which is 106 degrees, and this bottom right angle have to be supplementary. So 106 plus x plus z is 180. And of course, z we already knew was 50 degrees. So again, 106 plus x plus z, 106 plus x plus 50 is 180. And we have 156 plus x, so we're in the same place. It was just another way of looking at this problem. All right, so that covers number 43. I hope that helped.